Hi there! Today we have the newly launched Mi Watch Revolve Active. Xiaomi has truly taken this to the next level when it comes to fitness and workouts. From 10 workout modes on the previous Mi Watch Revolve to 117 workouts on the Mi Watch Revolve Active. Yes, that's insane. And the cherry on the cake is this one also comes with built-in Alexa. Now that sounds even better. But it still lacks that one feature that we all would have loved to see. Don't worry, I'll tell you all about it. I'll take you through the unboxing experience followed by a full review. Watch this video till the end to know if you should buy this or not. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The handle name is Mr. Tech Singh. Alright, let's straight jump into the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of the Mi Watch Revolve Active. You can see the branding right here. Here's the image of the watch. Comes with beige strap as well as a round dial. Towards the side here, you can see the Mi Watch Revolve Active branding again, and it also mentions Alexa built-in, which is a great feature to have on a watch. Here are a list of some of its more features. It comes with a 3.53 centimeter AMOLED display, blood oxygen level and heart rate monitoring, 110 sports modes including yoga, long battery life, 5 ATM water resistance rating, automatic start or pause workout detection, which is great. Towards the back are its manufacturing details and the MRP, which is 13,999. Alright, let's open the box. Right on the top is some paperwork, the Mi Watch Revolve Active User Manual, the watch itself, and it looks amazing. We'll have a look at it in just a moment, and a magnetic charging dock. So let's have a closer look at the watch before we boot it up. So the first thing to notice is that the dial is round and the frame is made of polycarbonate. The previous Mi Watch Revolve had a metal body which weighed 40 grams, while this polycarbonate body weighs just 32 grams, making it light and comfortable for your fitness tracking. There are two buttons on the side, and if you look closely, this is for going back to home and to access the apps, and this is a quick access button for sports. The straps are made of soft silicone and you can see a textured design on it. Looks really nice. It's a buckle design. The buckle itself comes with a powder coating. Looks really cool and sturdy. Towards the back you can see the heart rate sensor, the SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals. Now as you bring the charger closer, it magnetically aligns and starts charging. Very convenient. Now the straps can also be swapped with any other 22mm third-party bands. There's a hook here, you pull it off and you can remove the straps. You can buy more colored straps from the Xiaomi website, and there is also a leather strap available. The built-in design is really good. The display also comes with Gorilla Glass protection to prevent from scratches and damage, which is really good. Alright, so pairing the watch is a fairly simple process. Download the Xiaomi Wear app from the Android Play Store for Android or the Xiaomi Wear Lite app from the App Store if you're using it with an iPhone. Both are exactly the same, so don't get confused with the name Lite. Once paired, you will receive a notification for an update, which I highly recommend you do, as this will bring the Alexa support to the watch. So once you've paired the watch, the first thing we're going to do is set up Alexa. You go to the Xiaomi Wear app, go to the profile option and select Amazon Alexa. Then you log in with your Amazon account and you're done. Remember, you don't need any Prime membership for Alexa to work on your watch. Just Amazon account credentials are all that you need. To use Alexa on your watch, go to the quick toggle option on your watch and press the Alexa icon. Or simply hold the top button for 2 seconds. So first thing you need to know is what it can do and what it can't. There is a mic on your watch, so you can voice control Alexa from your watch. But there's no speaker on the watch, so Alexa won't respond or play songs like we used to on our Echo speakers. It will just show you the details on the display. So you can ask it general trivia questions, show you the weather, do quick conversions from dollar to rupees or any other kind, ask it for the match scores, and even control your smart home devices. Yes, that's just amazing. Check this out. Turn off the light. There you go. Turn on the light. Wow, that was amazing. So basically any Alexa smart home device can be now controlled directly from your wrist. But remember, your watch needs to be connected to your phone, and that phone should have access to internet. The things that you can do with Alexa are endless, but sadly there's no music that you can play on your watch, obviously because there's no speaker. Also, you can't even start your workouts. which is really sad. I would love to see that feature with an update where you can just tell Alexa to start with your workout on your watch. That would be amazing. Coming to the display, it has a 1.39-inch touch AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels. The high-res panel makes the text and images super sharp. Also, thanks to the AMOLED display, the colors are really punchy and the blacks are just perfect. The bezels on the side are quite thin and actually blend in with the display if you keep a black watch face. Really seamless. The panel comes with 450 nits brightness and get bright enough to use outdoors. There's also an auto brightness feature which adjusts the display according to the lighting conditions. I highly advise you keep this on as this would help in better battery performance. The good thing is that the watch doesn't feel bulky even though it's not exactly small. Thanks to the reduced weight, I was able to even wear it to bed to track my sleep. Of course, it would take a day or two to get used to it, but there was no discomfort. The raise the wrist to wake the display was very responsive and it worked 9 out of 10 times flawlessly. Okay, moving to the other features. Since it has an AMOLED display, we also get always on mode. In fact, you can choose between 8 options, digital and analog. It's very helpful when you quickly want to glance at the time without raising your wrist. But keep in mind, this will lead to heavy battery drain. Then the watch comes with 5 ATM water resistance rating, so you can wear it for a swim or even wear it while taking a shower. 24-hour heart rate tracking, been testing it and it's quite accurate. We also get the loved SpO2 sensor which I tested a couple of times, but I always say this, just use it for reference and not for medical purpose. There's also a stress app to keep a tab on your stress levels. The Mi Watch Revolve Active also comes with built-in GPS. Well, there's actually more. GLONASS, Galileo and BDS. Basically, these all are satellites to track you more accurately for outdoor workouts. More satellite means quicker fix on your location as well. Coming to the biggest upgrade to the Mi Watch Revolve Active. Tons of workout modes. Some that frankly I haven't even heard of. Jokes apart, it's a boon for fitness freaks. It covers so much that it's impossible to even talk about all of them. You get your regular walking, running, yoga, cycling, swimming, trekking and even triathlon. If you go into add sports, you can see water sports, outdoor sports, training, dance, boxing, ball sports, winter sports, recreational sports and even some other more sports. Just a quick glance into the dance mode and you can see there's belly dance, ballet, street dance, Zumba, folk dance, jazz dance. Basically you get everything you can even think of. Obviously it's impossible to check each one. I just wore it for a quick outdoor run. Firstly, it got a really quick fix on the GPS location and then it shows you the time, pace, heart rate, distance and calories burnt. The workout accuracy was pretty good. It also shows you the map on the display once you finish your outdoor run. Let's have a quick glance at the interface. Swipe from top to access your notifications. Swipe from down to access quick toggles. You can even see the battery percentage here. So firstly, it's smooth and it just flows. However, the app icons are probably not the best design idea. It's confusing what these icons stand for until you start using them for a couple of days. Surely there should be an option to set this to list format for easy understanding. The Xiaomi Wear app has seen a huge upgrade. It took time but has come a long way. Collects all your data in one place, shows you your steps, calories, outdoor workouts, your total sleep, heart rate, your energy levels, stress levels, VO2. In profiles, you can see the battery percentage, watch faces. We get about 5 to 6 pre-installed and over 100 that you can download from here. The collection is huge. Analog and digital, just go crazy. Notifications on your watch, you can choose from which app you want notifications and from which app you don't. You also receive call alerts with vibration. It shows you the caller's name with an option to silent the ringer or reject the call. I so wish it had a speaker and an option to answer the call directly from your watch. It would have taken it to the whole new level. This is one feature I wish Xiaomi had included in this watch. Anyway, moving back to the app. So now you have an option to share your data with Strava, and since I'm using my watch with an iPhone, I can also share it with the Apple Health app. I'm sure a lot of fitness enthusiasts look forward to this feature as even if they switch devices, their workout data is always backed up and available. Coming to the battery, the watch comes with 420 mAh battery and should last 14 days with typical use. Trust me, I've been using this with medium brightness and notifications turned on and the battery drain was minimal. You should get 6 to 8 days easily even with heavy use. Alright, final thoughts. So the Mi Watch Revolve Active has taken the fitness tracking to the next level. It has an AMOLED display along with always on mode, built-in GPS, SpO2 and so much more. It's a great package. The only thing that fell short is probably the calling feature. But look at it this way. This one is designed keeping the fitness tracking as a priority, and that's why it's totally worth it. Though we don't have the pricing and availability details, you can find both of them in the description. It's going to be available in multiple colors and also a leather strap option. I'll leave the purchase links in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedback or complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.